This video shows you how to make a call with a VoxBox speakerphone using either a USB or Bluetooth connection. The VoxBox speakerphone supports the following conferencing software: Polycom Real Presence Desktop, Microsoft Skype for Business, BroadSoft UC1 Communicator, Cisco Jabber, Avaya 1X Communicator, and Skype. For Cisco Jabber, Avaya 1X, and Skype, using a USB connection is best. BroadSoft UC1 requires the VoxBox companion app. To achieve optimal audio, the VoxBox speakerphones should be placed flat on a hard surface, such as a table or a desk, with at least 4 inches of object-free clearance from the 4 microphones located near the corners of the VoxBox speakerphone unit. Once you have attached VoxBox, you can make a call by using an audio or video conferencing software. In this example, we'll use Real Presence Desktop. Make sure that the Polycom VoxBox is selected as the audio device in your software's settings. Then, start a call as you normally would. You can use the VoxBox call controls on the device to raise or lower the volume, mute the microphone, or end the call.